Most people think digital health apps are just for tracking symptoms, but the surprising truth is that Ada Health actually offers a personalized, AI-driven health assessment that can guide you toward the right care. Today, I'm giving an honest review based on actual usage. Ada Health is an AI-powered health companion that asks questions about your symptoms and provides potential explanations and guidance. Most people get this wrong by assuming it replaces a doctor. It doesn't. Instead, it helps you understand what might be happening and whether you need professional care. I tried it for a minor set of symptoms, and the process was simple. The app asked targeted questions, adapted based on my answers, and then generated a detailed report. You won't believe what happens next. The app provides explanations for possible conditions, advice on next steps, and even lets you share the report with your doctor. The interface is clean, intuitive, and the AI feels surprisingly accurate in identifying possible health issues, though it always recommends confirming with a healthcare professional. One of the surprising truths about Ada is how educational it can be. Each condition comes with information about symptoms, causes, and treatments, helping you make more informed conversations with your doctor. For people who want a quick health check from home, it's a useful tool. There are a few downsides. Accuracy depends on honest and precise info, and the app doesn't replace medical consultation. Some rare conditions may not be covered. Despite that, it's a solid companion for initial assessments and peace of mind. In conclusion, if you want a smart, AI-powered health tool to better understand your symptoms and prepare for doctor visits, Ada Health is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest health app reviews before you decide to use one.